Hi, thanks for joining me on Tech with RKM. Tomorrow, July 1st, Cognition is performing a hard cutover. The Cascade local agent inside Windsurf gets retired. In its place, Devin Local takes over. Millions of users wake up to a forced agent swap and a fundamentally different product philosophy. We'll look at what's actually being deprecated and what's replacing it, the new Devin Cloud pricing that drops to $20 a month, and the contrarian read on what Cognition is really doing to the Windsurf identity. By the end, you'll understand why this is the death of Windsurf as a distinct thing and what that means for cursor pricing. Okay, let's dive in. Quick context. Cognition acquired Windsurf last year, then rebranded the IDE as Devin Desktop while keeping the Windsurf name alongside it. For months, Windsurf users kept the same Cascade local agent, the agent that was the original Windsurf identity, the agent that ran locally, made suggestions, edited files, all without the autonomous multi-step plan and execute philosophy of Cognition's flagship Devin. Cascade was deliberate, predictable, IDE native. Devin is autonomous, cloud first, multi-step, two very different products under one company. Tomorrow that's over. Cognition is killing Cascade. Devin Local replaces it. The IDE Windsurf turned Devin Desktop is now a Devin client. Three things to anchor on. One, Cascade end of life is July 1st. After tomorrow, the local agent inside the IDE is Devin Local, with Devin's autonomous philosophy and Devin's multi-step approach, not the Cascade UX users got used to. Two, Devin Cloud agent access dropped from Enterprise only to the $20 a month Pro tier. So all Pro users now have access to autonomous cloud agents that run long horizon tasks. That's a real product expansion. The Cloud Devin runs for hours without your laptop on. Three, there's a new agent command center panel that orchestrates Devin Cloud agents alongside local edits. So you can have a local Devin doing inline edits while two Cloud Devins are running long tasks. Multi-agent orchestration as a first-class UI. Let me walk you through what Devin Local actually does differently from Cascade. Cascade was suggestion-driven. You'd ask, hey, edit this file to do X, and Cascade would propose a diff. You'd accept or reject, then move on. Single-step predictable. Devin Local takes a more autonomous approach. You give it a task, it plans, executes multiple changes, may run tests, may revise. Closer to a junior engineer working at your computer than a tab complete on steroids. For users who chose Windsurf because they wanted the lighter touch, this is a personality shift in their daily tool. The pricing change is the second big one. Until now, Devin Cloud was only available to enterprise customers north of $50 per seat per month with contracts. Now, individual pro users for $20 a month can spawn Cloud Devins. This dramatically expands the addressable market for Devin's autonomous coding play. Cognition is going head-to-head with Cursor's Pro tier and Claude Code's pricing. So in the next few minutes, I'll cover three threads: the agent command center detail, what this does to the competitive picture, and what Cursor probably does next. Okay, the agent command center first. The new panel inside the IDE lets you see and control multiple active Devin sessions. Local Devin doing inline edits in your current file. Cloud Devin number 1 working on a long refactor in the background. Cloud Devin number 2 reviewing pull requests in another repo. All visible in one panel, all addressable. You can pause, kill, redirect, or check status on any of them. This is the productized version of multi-agent orchestration. Most agentic dev workflows today have you talking to one agent at a time. Command Center lets you actually run a fleet. 3 Devins in parallel feels different from one agent at a time. The closest equivalent is what we've covered with Foundry routines and hosted agents, but in a developer IDE instead of in Azure. Whether this is good or bad depends on how you work. If you can mentally manage 3 concurrent agents, it's leverage. If you can't, it's confusion. The early reviews from beta users are mixed. People who treated Windsurf as their default IDE find it overwhelming. People who already operate with Devin Cloud find Command Center natural. Now, the competitive picture. The dev tools market today has 4 serious players. Cursor with its Cursor Cloud sandboxes and the SpaceX acquisition we covered. Anthropic Claude Code, locally focused, deeply integrated with Anthropic models. Cognition, Devin, autonomous, cloud first, now coming local. And the long tail of open source like Klein, Aider, Codium, each has a distinct philosophy. Cursor is the polished pro-coder IDE. Claude Code is the heavyweight local agent. Devin is the autonomous fleet. Open source is the unbundled freedom. The July 1st cutover positions Devin as the closest direct competitor to Cursor for individual paying developers. Same $20 pro tier price point. Both offer cloud sandboxes for long-running work. Both have local agents in their IDEs. The differentiation now is philosophy and ergonomics, not feature set. Devin is more autonomous. Cursor is more guided. Pick your style. What does Cursor do next? Probably 2 things. 1, defend with deeper integration. Cursor's Cursor, Cloud, and Origin Git host are the strategic moats. Devin doesn't have an equivalent Git host or runtime story yet. So Cursor leans into infrastructure differentiation. 2, evaluate pricing pressure. If Devin Cloud at $20 a month wins users, Cursor may need to add capacity or features at the same price point to defend share. The next 30 days of Cursor pricing announcements will tell. The contrarian thread no one is hitting is this kills Windsurf as a distinct identity in the market. There's no longer a meaningful product distinction between Devin Desktop and Windsurf. They are the same IDE with the same agent. The Windsurf brand becomes a marketing label, not a product. Users who specifically chose Windsurf because it wasn't Devin have to either accept Devin's philosophy or switch to Cursor or to a different IDE entirely. Cognition is consolidating, but at the cost of product diversity in the AI IDE category. For Claude Code users, this matters less day to day. Claude Code is its own thing, not inside an IDE. But Anthropic is now competing for pro tier dollars against a more aggressive Devin Cloud pricing. Watch for Anthropic to respond either with usage tier changes or with a more aggressive integration story. What should you do if you're a Windsurf user? 3 things. 1, before July 1st, decide if you want to live with Devin's autonomous philosophy. If yes, you're set. If no, evaluate Cursor or Claude Code as a replacement. 2, if you stay, learn the agent command center. The multi-agent flow is genuinely powerful if you adopt it. 3, watch your usage costs. Cloud Devin at $20 a month is fine, but if you spawn many concurrent cloud sessions, costs can stack. Quick recap. Cascade EOL July 1st. Devin Local replaces it inside Windsurf. Devin Cloud drops to $20 pro tier. Agent Command Center orchestrates multiple concurrent Devins. Windsurf identity dies. Cursor pressure increases. Decide your philosophy fit before tomorrow. Tomorrow we pivot to Azure. Azure files Entra, only identities just hit GA, finally killing Active Directory as a dependency for cloud file shares. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment with whether you're staying on Windsurf or switching after July 1st. See you tomorrow.